Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you got a CSV file that you want to convert into Excel. Let me walk you through the simple steps that you need to do. Go ahead and find Excel on your computer. So Windows key and simple type in Excel. I'm sure you know how to open up your Excel. And of course, once you're in Excel, open up a blank sheet. That's the best way. I don't recommend that you just get a CSV file and you go ahead and just open it. It will open in Excel for sure, but you will not have that option to, let's say, format your data and set your data in such a way or convert it in such a way like you would if you do it the way that I'm about to share with you. So once you're in a blank Excel, go ahead and click on data at the top there, and you will either find it towards the left or anywhere within this section, depending on the version of Excel that you have. You just want to look for where it says new query. Click the drop down there, guys, and choose from file. You will see the option that says from CSV. And so you click on that, and this is going to open up your file explorer, and you will be able to find that CSV file that you have on your computer. Now, you click on the file, then you go ahead and you click on import. Now, once you click on import, you will see the data set right here, and you will see how it actually looks with the file and all those good stuff. And so from here, you can simply choose the word transform, or you can go ahead and click on load. What I really like about this way of importing and converting the data is that it puts it in a nice formatting way with the nice with each column looking all nice. And so if you're done that with an Excel sheet, by just opening it, it's just gonna just open it in a raw way. It doesn't get that nice, let's say, format structure like when you convert it into Excel. So you want to go ahead and choose this. If you click on load, you also have the option to click drop down, and you can say load to or whichever. So you can choose load or transform. Whichever option you choose, you will still have the option to save it afterwards. So let's say I'm going to say transform. I click on transform, and it's going to transform it, and it's going to open up in a new window, and I'll be able to see the data looking like this, right? So this is going to make it really nice. And from here, guys, you'll be able to go ahead and preview your data right here. As you can see, it just shows you what it's going to look like if you're satisfied. And if you're satisfied, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click and close and load. Once you click close and load, it's going to close that preview window for you and open it in a nice structured way where you can see all the data that you need, right? So this is basically how it actually looks after it loads. It looks much better. It looks pretty nice. You have really nice column. You choose one of the columns, and you don't even have to use this kind of like a style. You can choose something else from the table style to make it look really nice the way you want. But once you have that CSV file and you import it into this Excel, you are able to transform that data, have a quick preview to see how it looks, and then you just simply click close and load, and you'll be able to load it into your Excel. And of course, you will see right here that you have all the options available in Excel. You can click on file, and now you have the option to save it or save as or do whatever it is to this current file. And that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.